Hey everyone, welcome back to AJ Science and Tech. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of invention and innovation. Have you ever wondered how new technologies are created? Whether you're dreaming of becoming the next great inventor or just curious about the process, this video will break down the steps to invent or innovate new technology. Let's get started. The first step in inventing or innovating new technology is to identify a problem or need. Every great invention begins with a challenge that needs a solution. Look around you. What tasks are cumbersome, what processes are inefficient, or what products could be improved. For example, the invention of the smartphone addressed the need for communication, internet access, and various tools all in one device. By identifying a clear problem, you set the foundation for your innovation. Think about daily frustrations or areas where people struggle, like long commutes, managing health, or staying organized. Start asking questions like, how can I make this easier? Or what would make this process more efficient? Once you've identified a problem, you're on your way to inventing something valuable. Once you've identified a problem, the next step is to research existing solutions. This is crucial because it helps you understand what's already out there, what works, and what doesn't. Look at patterns, existing products, and market trends. Analyze the strengths and weaknesses of current solutions. Sometimes, innovation isn't about creating something entirely new, it's about improving what already exists or combining elements in a new way. Let's say you've identified a problem with current smartphone battery life. Your research might involve looking into existing battery technologies, analyzing user feedback on battery performance, and exploring new materials or designs that could extend battery life. The more you know about the current landscape, the better equipped you'll be to innovate. Now it's time for creativity, brainstorming, and ideating. This is where you generate as many ideas as possible, no matter how wild or unconventional they might seem. Don't limit yourself during this phase. Innovation thrives on thinking outside the box. Consider using techniques like mind mapping, sketching, or simply writing down every idea that comes to mind. Collaboration can also be valuable here. Bring in other perspectives to expand your thinking. If you're working on the smartphone battery issue, your brainstorming might lead to ideas like integrating solar panels into phone cases, developing a new energy-efficient processor, or creating a modular battery system. Remember, no idea is too crazy at this stage. Sometimes the most outlandish concepts lead to breakthroughs. With a solid idea in hand, the next step is to create a prototype. A prototype is a preliminary model of your invention. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should demonstrate the core functionality of your idea. Once you've built your prototype, it's time to test it. Testing is essential to see if your idea works as intended and to identify any flaws or areas for improvement. This phase often involves a lot of trial and error, so be prepared to iterate on your design. Let's go back to our smartphone battery example. Your prototype could be a small-scale version of a new battery design or a simulation of how your energy-efficient processor would perform. You'd then test this prototype under various conditions, such as different temperatures or usage scenarios, to see how it holds up. Testing helps you refine your idea and make it more viable. After testing your prototype, you'll likely find areas that need improvement. This is where you refine your design and iterate on your prototype. Innovation is rarely a one-and-done process. It often involves multiple rounds of testing, tweaking, and refining. Use the feedback from your tests to make adjustments. This might mean going back to the drawing board in some areas, but each iteration brings you closer to a final product that works and meets the needs you identified. If your smartphone battery prototype didn't perform as well as expected, you might need to explore different materials, adjust the design, or rethink how it integrates with the phone's other components. Each revision is a step toward a more robust and effective invention. Once you've developed a working prototype that you're confident in, it's important to protect your idea. This usually means applying for a patent, which gives you legal rights to your invention and prevents others from copying it. Patent laws can be complex, so you might want to consult with a patent attorney to ensure your idea is properly protected. Additionally, consider other forms of intellectual property protection, like trademarks or copyrights, depending on the nature of your invention. Imagine you've finalized your new smartphone battery design, and it's ready for the market. Protecting your intellectual property ensures that your hard work and innovation are legally recognized, giving you the opportunity to capitalize on your invention. With your invention protected, it's time to bring it to market. This step involves developing a business plan, finding funding if necessary, and manufacturing your product. Marketing is also key. How will you let people know about your invention? Consider creating a brand around your product and using various channels to reach potential customers. This could include online marketing, social media, or partnerships with established companies. To successfully launch your new smartphone battery, you might partner with smartphone manufacturers, set up an online store, or even pitch your idea to investors. The goal is to get your product into the hands of consumers and make a positive impact. Innovation doesn't stop once your product is on the market. Keep gathering feedback from users, stay updated on new technologies, and continue refining your invention. The most successful innovators are those who never stop learning and improving. Stay curious and keep looking for ways to make your product better or to solve new problems that arise. Innovation is a continuous journey, not a destination. After launching your new battery, you might discover ways to make it even more efficient or adaptable to different devices. Continuing to innovate ensures that your technology stays relevant and competitive in a constantly evolving market. And there you have it, the steps to invent or innovate new technology. From identifying a problem to bringing your invention to market, each phase of the process is crucial to turning an idea into a reality. Remember, innovation is about persistence, creativity, and a willingness to embrace failure as part of the journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the world of science and technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep inventing, keep innovating, and remember, the next big idea could be yours.